Foggy.
Phenomenal move. Jet Cat, Clever Royal, the next two. Last one to load will be Downy Gap. 8-5 on Son of Dixie. They'll start and finish at the 16th hole.
He's
Two more.
He's finna go up.
All set. And they're up. All cash breaks out quickly. Phenomenal move has speed. Son of Dixie on the inside is prominent. First going is just a little bit tight in between horses as they go into the first turn. It's a 4-wide Jet Cat as a scramble on for early supremacy. Then comes Downy Gap, who's about 4 or 5 lengths off the early tempo. Bourbonize in the red colors is next. A length and a half to Clever Royal. Shove Louis Boy second to last. And Chippewa White Chief is the trailer as they make their way onto the backstretch. And Son of Dixie tugs his way along in front by 3/4 of a length. All cash trying to keep him honest in second. It's a length and a half behind them to Jet Cat in third. Between horses, Phenomenal Moon is fourth and down at the rail first zone. Downy Gap is racing one from the rail, but only about 4.5 lengths off the lead. He's 3 clear of Shelby's Boy racing on the inside of Bourbonize. Then comes Clever Royal, and Chippewa White Chief is at the back. They're heading into the far turn, still battling up top. It's Son of Dixie on the inside narrowly. All cash in between horses. Jet Cat on the outside. Jet Cat now moves into second. They're followed by Bourbonize, who's making progress. All cash is the first to surrender. Bourbonize making a nice 3-wide bid.
Come on,
keeps
Six.
coming. Bourbonize with a decided move coming to the top of the stretch.
Come on,
Putting
Six.
Second front. Son of Dixie will try to outside with him. Jet Cat has found.
Come on, Six, you got any horse?
They're followed by Chippewa White Chief in the field. Straight to the
Come on, Six.
and Bourbonize opens up.
Come on, Bourbonize.
Son of Dixie. Shelby on the outside, but it's Bourbonize in a stylish performance here.
Come on,
He
son.
is sliding out nicely. Bourbonize. Huge day for Roberto Williams Jr. as he gets 4.